How to fix send error on Coinbase Wallet. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your app store. In the search bar, search for Coinbase. Move into this application. Right here, instead of open, if it shows the option of update, then your application is not up to date. And it might be one of the reasons that you are facing this issue. In this case, all you want to do is tap on update and update your application to the latest version. Once the application is up to date, the next thing you want to do is head over to the settings of a device. Move into General. Head over to iPhone storage. In here, you have to search for the application Coinbase and then move into it. Once you're in here, the option of offload app will be available to you. Simply click on it. Offloading the app means clearing the cache and the storage of this application, and it will also clear the unwanted bugs. It might also fix the issue that you have been facing on the Coinbase wallet, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix send error on Coinbase wallet. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.